When you start your YouTube journey and once you overcome your camera phobia, now it is time to take your YouTube journey to next level. So in this video, we are going to see what strategies you can adapt to make that viral and impactful video so that you can reach to the next level in your YouTube video creation journey. So let's see those strategies. Before making video, check 2 or 3 sample videos on same topic and take some idea from it. So whenever you finalize your topic for video, so just check it out, those 2-3 videos on the same topic, take some ideas from those videos. At the age of 40, I learned the Zumba and I created a video on Zumba. So what I did, I structured the story of that Zumba learning. So first I talked about my childhood dance phobia. So I was not ready to dance during my childhood. Then I went to the school, there were some competition, dance competition, and I wasn't participating there. Again, same story repeated in my college life. And when I went to the corporate world, so there were many parties and people were pulling each other on dance floor. So that time also I was reluctant to dance there. Then at the age of 40, I saw Zumba classes and I started learning there. I gave the conclusion saying that at any age you can learn anything, and I thanked my instructor, and finally I asked my viewers to like, subscribe and share my channel. So you can also structure your video before recording it, at least high level points. Identify content format of the video without recording your face. Suppose you are reluctant to come on the camera. You have various ways by which you can record the video. So the first one is motion video, where you will have the sample video with audio and there will be some background picture, music, or you can use animated videos using Doodle Maker. Same video, instead of showing your face, you will use different animations. So Doodle Maker is the app which you can use for making those animated videos, or record videos and background image changing. So you can also use that green screen effect where your audio will be there and through images you will tell your story as part of your video. These are some of the way by which you don't need to come on the camera. Still you will be in a position to create very impactful storytelling format of video. Identify sound structure means when you create a video, it is good to introduce that music, and also your voice modulation, you need to check it out. If possible, write and practice script so that it will be easy to make effective video. So it is again good idea, at least initially. Later on you don't need to practice so much, but whenever you practice it well, you can create really effective and impactful video. Title for video. So you need to give some title to that video, right? You need to put that catchy format of video. So generally this is the format I follow. What is the purpose for which I created that video? So how to stop overthinking. Then pipe, I specify my name and in which category that video belongs to. So suppose it is educational or motivational or technical, so I specify it that way. This is the structure I saw in many users or many YouTubers, they follow this structure. Or you can give plain title also, like research on the title and its hashtag, because title is something that is the entry point for your video. So you need to give proper title. Prepare list of hashtag before uploading video. YouTube was more bothered about hashtag also. Based on hashtag, it was propagating your video to those specific audiences. But nowadays hashtag has less significance, but still you can research good hashtag and accordingly you can put those hashtag in your video. Now let's say what you can do in terms of getting that viral video. Again, it is not just the case with viral video. This is general structure we are talking about. First one is hook. It should be of 3 to 10 seconds. When I say hook, means it should give very quickly what is the purpose of that video. You can ask some question or something, and by that you can generate that hook. Okay, so that your audiences will get attention. And you can put channel logo also there. Then there is an intro. So most of the time first you introduce yourself, and after that intro video will be there. So you will be talking something related with your channel, and that way that intro comes into the picture. I'll give you one example again from my YouTube channel only. Then you can go and explain for what purpose you are recording. So the real content of the video will come into the picture. After that you can ask ask some open-ended questions related with your topic so that people will be more hooked, or they will think and reply or comment about your video. Then closing outro. In closing outro, generally we ask people to subscribe, like and share your YouTube channel. And then call to action. Suppose you want to specify anything where people should go and fill up that form, or they should visit your website. So any kind of call to action you can give as part of your video, or even you can put it into the description section. Not predictable. So always remember, when you record your video, so that curiosity should be there in your audiences. Make it more unpredictable and curious video so that people will watch it till end. Otherwise people will come, they will watch for a few seconds, and after that they will close that video. So always engage your audiences by having that curiosity in your video. So let's see one video format for your better understanding. So this is what is known as a hook, where I'm asking some question and giving them some idea what exactly this video will be. And accordingly, if people are more interested, they will move ahead. Okay. And this particular portion is known as intro. So it will be common for all the videos, and it is good to have that intro. It gives little bit information about your channel, and also if you have any tagline, you can specify that tagline. I have written my book, so it gives that reference also. So that way you can use the hook. And after that, this is the main content of the video. And at the end, once everything is done, this is the outro section. This is the question I asked people. I wanted them to put some comment in the comment section. So this was the last section where I asked people to subscribe to my channel. So in this way, you can follow the structure. I used some green screen effect, and you can see there was some green color around my head. Again, I was new during those days, and that's how I recorded that video. But whatever may be the quality, I never hesitate to put that video on YouTube. So never go for the perfection. It will come over the period of time. This is the structure generally I follow. And most of the cases I do those technical videos, so I get less hit. If you create more innovative or entertainment video, probably you will get more hits there. YouTube journey initiation. So what we are going to see when you start your YouTube journey, that time there are certain things which you need to take care of. First point is about it is okay to be not okay in front of the camera initially. So when you go and face that camera first time, you will have lots of problem. So that is perfectly all right. So every YouTuber, every person who puts and his video goes viral, he went through that journey. 30-second idea which I shared with you, right? For next 14 days, go in front of the camera, use your mobile and record that video every morning. So use that trick. Then bigger purpose to serve your viewers. Whenever you feel discouraged or less motivated, think about your purpose, greater purpose for which you are recording video. At least if you manage to impact one life through your good motivational video, that serves your purpose. So think about that purpose. Start record your first video, planning and practice. So the first thing is to getting started. So when you record your first video, after that second, third and fourth, and slowly you will keep on growing. Starting that journey is important. Once you go through those 5-10 videos, please plan better, practice your video script, and you will have better quality in terms of delivery of your video. Perfection, never bother about perfection. Few minutes back I showed you my video, right? It had that green screen and it wasn't perfect video, frankly speaking, but still I went ahead and I put that video. Once you have enough practice, right? So you need to put down the points and just you need to speak in flow. No need to mug up, because when you mug up, if you forget anything, you will keep on recording that video 10 times, 15 times, 20 times. That will cause more problem. Just remember those bullet points and just talk naturally instead of mugging. But at the end, you practice it well, then you will be in a better position to give right delivery. Be consistent. That is another important factor when it comes to the YouTube journey, and not only in YouTube case but anywhere. You need to maintain that consistency. No need to get discouraged. Even if you fail to get any like or any views, keep on doing that activity. At least for first 100 videos, you don't need to think too much. Once you cross that 100 line, then you need to think about next level, where quality and good content comes into the picture. Right? Progress is more important than perfection. Excellence or perfection by doing it again and again. So when you keep on doing same thing again and again, you achieve the excellence in that task. Never bother about perfection. You need to achieve excellence. Please pause this video, read all these questions and answer this question in order to check your YouTube journey. So did you completed all this task, or is there something missing where you need to work on? Again, few more questions are there. So the first one is your video length good? So you need to create a video which is of maximum 5 minutes to 10 minutes, because nowadays people are not interested in watching lengthy videos. Are you add info cards and end screen? We saw in the beginning, right? Please add those info cards and end screen. Has the branding page been added? Do you have copyright image, music, videos? So this is very important point. Whenever you upload the video on YouTube, YouTube checks that video whether it has any image, music or any content which violates copyrights. Please take care of this part, otherwise they may shut down your channel also. If you copy something and it violates some rules, take care of this part. How is overall video content? So again, you can judge, you can ask feedback from your close friends, relatives, and take that feedback, and accordingly you can improve your video quality. Sometimes you create a video and you will have some ads in those videos, so take care of this part also. Has the video been created with paid versions? And accordingly you can check those appropriate boxes. Does video have good description? Again, your description plays very important role, so it will reach out to the right audiences. So check this link. The most important to have intention of sharing your knowledge to benefit anyone having less than you. Remember this line whenever you get discouraged in your YouTube journey. Another important aspect of your YouTube channel is catchy title. So when you create a YouTube video and you want to upload it, it should be uploaded with some catchy title. And let's see some example here. Convert yourself from Bharti Singh to Alia Bhatt. This is very good title when you want to upload any video for health fitness. So immediately it will catch attention of your audiences and they will end up watching that video. At least they will click on that video. 6 ways to make 1 crore sell your car. Again, this is one of the catchy title, and that way people will go and watch that video. Grab the attention at the beginning of the video, title at the top and wrapper. So these are few ideas you can correlate and you can use to make your audiences click on your video. You can use some antagonizing statement, attention seeking or curiosity generating video sentences at the beginning. Big data is not meant for solving every business problem. Your salary is bribe to your dreams. Investment kills your money. I'm murderer. Suspense generating sentence. So this is one of the suspense generating sentence. Entrepreneurs are criminals. Procrastination is good for you. Learn to forget yourself. Why divorces are good. Deadlines are dead. Mom, you are wrong. I have divorced with my procrastination. I have thrown all my certification. So these are some of the catchy sentences or antagonizing statement which you can use as part of your video title. And there are other ways also. 3 steps to break your procrastination. 2 ways of making money. 1 secret that will change your life. Why majority of people fail in their career. How to generate your identity on social media. So you can use all these titles as part of your video thumbnail or actual name of your video. Video scheduling is another very important activity. So whenever you create a video, every day you go and upload that video. So instead of uploading this video every day, what you can do, you can schedule those videos at specific date and time so that it will uploaded on your YouTube channel automatically. And one of the popular tool is Hootsuite. So Hootsuite is not used for just YouTube's video scheduling, but you can use for scheduling your post also, like LinkedIn post, Facebook post, Instagram post. You need to create those posts and those will be automatically uploaded on your respective social media channel. So it is similar to RSS feed. So as part of the RSS feed, you keep on getting that email every day, right? It is similar to that. And YouTube has also its own scheduling tool. So suppose you are not using other social media platform and you want to put those video explicitly on YouTube only, so you can use YouTube scheduling tool. The only advantage of Hootsuite is that same video you can upload directly on other channels also, other social media account also. That way same post goes everywhere. So that is the beauty of Hootsuite. Trademark your YouTube channel. When you start your YouTube journey, you need to be very specific in your purpose and defining your target audiences. Open channel on separate email. This is again very important point. So if you have any existing email ID which you use for some different purpose, so don't go and start your channel on the same account. Better go and create new email ID and start your dedicated channel on that email ID. T-shirt with channel and company name. So once you achieved reasonable success in your YouTube channel, at least 500 subscription, then you can start branding your channel. So you can have your own T-shirt and the name of the channel on that T-shirt, or company name, suppose you have the company. That way you can brand your channel and you can advertise it. So that is the purpose. That is all about trademark for your YouTube channel. These are some of the tactics when you start your YouTube channel. Utilize them diligently to propagate your channel to your right audiences and make success in your YouTube journey. Please put in the comment section your learning about YouTube channel.